So the biggest difference between an asset and an expense is going to be based on the amount you're spending, and that threshold is usually about $2,500. An asset will be in excess of $2,500, where an expense is typically less than $2,500. So if they are more than $2,500, they would go to your balance sheet to be capitalized and part of your depreciation schedule. If they are less than $2,500, then they will fall on your P&L. So for an asset, you would really want to have some conversations with your CPA to discuss setting that up with your depreciation schedule, whereas an expense, you would take that deduction in the current year. I would say leading up to determining whether this is an asset or an expense, you also want to take in consideration what that expense or asset represents. So if it is an item that relates to leasehold improvement, as an example, you may purchase tile, but then you may also pay a contractor to install that tile. So you're looking at the total expense of not only your payment to that vendor or the maintenance person who is installing the tile, but for the tile itself. And when you're doing that, if you exceed the $2,500, then that would become an asset rather than expensed. The other thing you want to take into consideration is if you are paying that vendor, you would want to collect a W-9 from the person who's installing it.